Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you steps on how to do the mantra testnet airdrop. But before we start, if this is your first time of joining us or you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so by hitting the subscription button and turn on your notification bell to subscribe so you can get notifications when new videos are dropped. So let's get started. Mantra Hung By is the first RWA layer 1 blockchain capable of adherence and enforcement of real-world regulatory requirements. Mantra Chain is valued at $600 million and is backed up by Binance, OKX, and many others. The token is already listed on Binance and the airdrop is confirmed. So, first of all, you have to download the Kepler app if you have not done so. The link will be in the description box. You can also skip this step if you already have the wallet installed. Go to mantrachain.io/hungby. The link will be in the description box. Then click on Add to Kepler. Connect your wallet and approve. So it has been connected. The next is to open your Kepler wallet, click on the menu, then click on Manage Chain Visibility. Search for Mantra Hung By. Click on the box and then click on Save. Return to your wallet again, click on Copy Address. So search for the Mantra Hung By testnet. Click on it and copy the address. Next is to go to the faucet and claim a token. I will put the link in the description box. Paste the address you copied previously and then click on Request token. They will send your token to your Kepler wallet. Open your Kepler wallet again, click on Send, search for Mantra and click on the OM token. Enter the address you copied. You can use your own address or get one from the description box. Then enter the amount you want to send. Click on Next and then click on Approve. And repeat these steps multiple times by sending it to different wallets. This is to increase your on-chain interactions. To do the Gauzy campaign, go to Gauzy. The link will be in the description box and complete the quest. So make sure you complete all the quests in the Gauzy. The quests are quite simple. They are easy quests that you can do. You do the quests to earn points and also to earn votes. The quests are to follow Mantra Chain on Twitter, to join the Mantra Chain on Telegram, have the Mantra Discord role and all. So just make sure that you do each and every one of the quest as much as possible. So complete the quest and that's it. So if you want to set up a node and be a validator, you click on this link in the description box, follow the guide to set up the node. But this step is optional, just for those people that want to set up a node and be a validator. But if you are not interested in running a node, you can decide to leave this step. So this is a wrap for now. Thank you for joining us. You can also be part of our community by joining our WhatsApp group through the link in the description box. This will help you to get first-hand information on different airdrops. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.